The Department of Transportation's net service contracting scheme is all set for kickoff Wednesday next week. For public transport buses, drivers, and operators who want to avail of programs stand to receive from government anywhere between 30 pesos to a kilometer with a max route distance of 100 kilometers a day while charging commuters a minimum discounted fare of 20%. Jeepneys and buses will be fitted with GPS to track their locations and distances covered, as our Kenneth Paciente reports.
In moments like these, the government will do everything that is possible to cushion the impact and safeguard the welfare of our people.
This was assured by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. to Filipinos during the celebration of the Day of Valor yesterday amid the surge in prices of petroleum products caused by the crisis in the Middle East. Thus, following the second meeting of the Uplift Committee led by the President, he announced that starting next week, April 15, the government will implement the service contracting program for PUV drivers nationwide.
Sa ilalim ng programang ito, babayaran namin ang ating mga operator at driver ng mula 40 pesos hanggang 100 piso kada kilometro. Dagdag ito sa kanilang kita mula sa pamasahe.
The President said PUV drivers, operators, and even passengers will benefit from this.
Para naman sa mga commuter, may kasamang hindi bababa sa 20% na diskwento sa pamasahe.
He added this will be implemented to link to train lines and major bus routes to ensure more efficient public transportation service.
Ang service contracting program ay ipapatupad sa off-peak hours upang masigurong may masasakyan pa rin ang ating mga kababayan kahit hindi sa rush hour. Lahat ng sasali ay may GPS monitoring para naman matiyak na aktwal ang biyahe at maayos ang serbisyo. Patuloy ang biyahe, patuloy ang hanapbuhay.
This announcement by the President is a big help to people like Prudencio, a jeepney driver, especially since he used to bring home more than 1,000 pesos to his family, but has dropped to only 200 to 300 pesos due to high fuel prices.
Sana kung patupad ng gobyerno, sana maraming salamat po sa kanila. Para na rin tulong sa amin mga driver.
Aside from the service contracting program, the President also announced a 10 peso per liter fuel discount for PUV drivers. The fuel discount could reach up to 150 liters per week for 3 months.
Sisimulan muna natin ito sa NCR sa susunod na linggo. Una sa Commonwealth, palalawakin natin ito sa mga susunod na araw sa Quezon Avenue, Espanya, Zapote, A. Bonifacio, Rizal at Marcos Highway hanggang mapalawak natin ito sa buong bansa. Mahalaga ito dahil hindi lang transport cost ang tinutugunan natin. Pinipigilan din natin ang pagtaas ng presyo ng pagkain at iba pang pangunahing bilihin.
The fuel subsidy will be implemented by legitimate gas stations, approved and monitored by the Energy Department to ensure it will not be abused. Kenneth Paciente for the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.